Merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. We are talking all about börek. Börek is a family of pastries made with a thin flaky dough such as filo or yufka as we say in Turkey. It has variety of fillings like spinach, cheese, potatoes and mincemeat. In Turkey we have fried böreks and baked böreks. Talking about the yufka sheets, it can either be store-bought or handmade. Along with Turkey, you can find the same pastry börek with similar names in Balkanian countries, Middle East as well as Greece. I'm gonna show you 8 different böreks to give you an idea and samples from Turkish cuisine. Let's begin. I'm gonna begin with the easiest börek recipe you can make. For this we're gonna use a puff pastry. I just rolled it a bit more to make thinner. Placed cheese and chopped parsley filling along the side. After sealing it, beginning from the center, I made a spiral shape and continue to fill my pan. Just brush with yogurt and egg yolk mixture and bake in the oven. Beautiful, crunchy and delicious. This is the most common börek kind. Tepsi means tray. In this method you place the filos to a baking tray, or as an option you can make a smaller börek in a pan and cook it on stovetop. We make our böreks with these filo sheets we call yufka. It is widely available on the market, but you can also try these recipes using the thickest filo sheets on the market you can find. We need a sauce to dampen the yufkas. In this one, we have eggs, oil and milk. For this one, I made my börek with a cheese filling. Commonly we use Turkish white cheese, but you can also add some kaşar or mozzarella to give extra taste and oozing texture. After oiling my pan or tray, I place 1 yufka filo sheets hanging from the sides and add 1 or 2 more depending on how big it is, wrinkling to fit in. Dampen with the sauce we made, add the cheese filling along with the rest of the yufkas and close the hanging yufkas on top. Then bake on a stovetop as in here or in the oven until golden color and crunchy on both sides. And my tepsi böreği is ready to serve along with a tea. Just a quick reminder that your likes, comments and shares give a lot of support to my channel to reach to other people. So I would appreciate if you just give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also make your own yufka filo sheets, and I have a very easy technique to make at home. You can watch the detailed recipe if you are interested from the links. This börek type is also very popular and very easy to make. You just fry the rolled doughs and it becomes very crunchy. If you are using classic Turkish yufka sheets, you fold it into 4 and then with this cutting method you get nice even triangle slices. Place enough cheese filling to the widest side and roll, sealing with a water. And after that just deep fry until golden color and crunchy. Let me show you another börek type with spinach filling. For the filling you saute an onion, add chopped spinach, Continue to saute on high for a couple of minutes. Season it with salt, black pepper, red pepper flakes, and it's ready. You can also use some crumbled cheese inside if you like. I'm using the same börek sauce with eggs, milk and oil. After dampening the yufkas, I put from the filling and cut it from the middle and rolled, as you can see. Then turn the piece into spiral and beginning from the middle, place it into your baking tray. After filling the pan, brush the top with the remaining sauce, sprinkle some sesame and nigella seeds and bake until golden. If you want to improve your skills by rolling your own yufka sheets, this recipe is for you. It has a rich and very smooth soft dough to roll. And from each bowl you get 4 beautiful rose-shaped böreks. Again, it is also possible to make this rose shape with the ready phyllo sheets. Please refer to the links down below to get the recipe, and don't forget to like the video if you are enjoying watching it. Special to this börek video, I want to share another technique that is popular in the recent years throughout Turkey. For this börek, we're gonna use 3 different fillings. In the first one, I sauteed grated potatoes, seasoned it with some black pepper, salt and paprika, and let it cool down. You will see the other 2 fillings in a minute. To dampen my yufkas, this time I'm gonna use only water and oil. I had an egg white, just using it not to throw away, pinch of salt, and my sauce is ready. For the recipe, I'm going to use 5 yufkas phyllo sheets. I dampened with the sauce, the first one, and added the second one as a base. Again, drizzle from the sauce. And in the first layer, I'm going to use spinach filling that I had in the fridge. Just sauteed onion, added the spinach, seasoned it with some salt, black pepper, paprika. That's it. Here is the third yufka. After dampening it, as a second filling, I'm adding sliced salami, or you can use pastırma pieces, which is a cured meat. Other options would be sauteed carrots, or you can just give your ideas for it. And for the third filling after the yufkas, I added my sauteed potatoes. It is really a very easy and versatile recipe. You can experiment with other fillings. The shaping is very easy. I'm gonna cut the excess parts on the sides and put it to the center for easy rolling, and then tightly roll all the layers together. Now the only thing we need to finish shaping it is to slice and place it in a baking tray. Especially for this recipe, it will be easier to use baking paper before placing the slices. My oven is preheated to 200 Celsius degree, and finally I'm gonna brush the tops with egg yolk, oil and yogurt mixture. I baked the 3-colored börek for about 35-40 minutes until I got nice golden color. The combination of the 3 fillings comes out very delicious and gives a beautiful pattern, and it is so easy to bring all the things together. For the last börek sample I chose Laz böreği. Cream-filled sweet börek. For this one we use thin phyllo sheets for making baklava. After brushing the layers with the butter, in halfway you add the cream filling. Continue to layer the phyllos. Slice and bake until golden. And finally add simple syrup on top. So my friends, as you can see, we have many different börek kinds. This was only the 8 of them. We have many different böreks in Turkish cuisine. You can have them for breakfast, as a quick lunch. In the tea parties you can serve as a snack. Check all the recipes from the links description box below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. Bye. Afiyet olsun.